Hey guys, today I'll be giving you a quick tip on how to chain up your tires. First things first, you want to start out with laying out your chains, making sure they're free of any defects. They're not twisted, or making sure all the links are in good shape. So I've laid these out, no twists, the chains are in good shape. I like to start off with this hook here being on the inside of the tire. This hook here will be on the outside. So when I pick these up, I'm going to make sure that this side goes on the inside of the tire. So I'm going to go ahead and throw those on and see how it goes. So I like to start here, just grabbing them in the middle. Tossing them over. When you're doing this, you just want to make sure everything is straight and as tight as you can possibly get it. Once you get towards the bottom here, you're going to want to tuck these under, again making sure they're straight. And then what you're going to want to do is pull forward a few feet until this is approximately here, where you can hook the underside up and start getting it tight. Alright, so now you want to make sure that you hook the inside hook up first. I like to get out all the slack out of the chain and get that inside as tight as you can. So I'm going to get the slack here and hook up the inside hook. Alright, so the inside's hooked up, and now all you need to do is hook this part up here. So again, I'm going to get out all the slack, loop this in here like so, clamp that down, and these particular chains, they have built-in tensioners here that I'm going to tighten up using this little tool. Do that. Like this. All the way around. And then your last step is putting on your tensioners. Make sure those stay tight. Alright, there you have it. You should be ready to hit the road with your chains on.